Hello guys, welcome to my Amsterdam apartment. So I thought I would share my apartment with you guys even though it has nothing to do with my channel because I don't know, I personally like watching apartment tours. I'm always curious to get like a peek into someone else's living space, get some inspiration. We have so many great memories in this apartment. It has been a great space for us. Yeah, and we're definitely gonna miss it. Let's get started. Okay, this video is gonna be hard to record because I don't have a tripod. So why the jump scare? We are currently at the entrance of the apartment. When you first walk in, the first thing you see is a staircase. I think the ceiling here is really cool though. So of course, as you can see, we have our winter jackets here hanging on some hooks, and yeah, that is everything for the staircase. This is what you see when you first come up the staircase. It is our living room. So up the stairs, here we are in the one and only hallway. There's some things that I want to discuss here. Let's start off with the coat closet. Of course, this closet is not deep at all. Why would it be? That would make sense. So of course we can only hang things facing this way. So this is what we keep in here: long dresses, long skirts, picnic blanket, tools, Dyson attachments, hats. We don't have a lot of storage space, so we had to get this coat rack. We both hate it. It feels like we're in college, but it is what it is. You have to make do with the space you have. It does fit nicely in this little space here. Right next to the coat rack, we have our toilet bathroom with a nice little sink. I really love this space here over the toilet. We have some like scent things, this little diptyque candle, and then this little box that I got from Zara Home. To the other side of the hallway, we have a shoe rack. Again, not a lot of storage space, so we had to make do. So this is actually all for me. My husband can actually keep his shoes in the closet. I just have so many. I don't feel like I have that many, but I guess I do. And here we have the bedroom. Great full-length mirror compared to the one that I had in Paris. I do have to show you my shoe situation right now, just so you're not alarmed if you see it later on. Next to the mirror, we have the best thing about this apartment: in-unit washer and dryer. This has changed my life. I love these things so much. I am going to miss them so much. Truly life-changing. Here we have our laundry basket that barely fits anything. I love this bedroom so much. It is my favorite space in the apartment. When the sun is out, which is not very often here, this room lights up so beautifully. Truly love this space. This is my husband's side of the room. Even though those are my boots over there. I got him this Hermes poster back when I lived in Paris. He really likes golf, and I love the pencil looking illustration. I do not love that it says Hermes on the poster. That's just simply not the way I don't know, I don't like to have brands in my space. I also like that it has an address. This is just a little, I don't know, fun fact about me. I love when posters have an address on them. I like addresses. I like looking them up. I like a map. So now we're on my side, another pair of boots, of course. I hadn't mentioned this before, but I love the style of these nightstands so much. My mom actually got them for us. Okay, so I have way more little trinkets than him, I guess. This poster was a gift from my friend Isabella. I thought she got it at Miami Art Basel, but I think she told me it wasn't at Basel, it was somewhere else. So I have some of my favorite perfumes, little clock that doesn't work, but I really like the way it looks. Jewelry, of course, Apple Watch, AirPods, Jurassic Park, and fun hair clips. I got this one in Paris, and this was a gift from my friend Chloe. We also have some storage under the bed for our extra beauty products, some extra sheets, towels, etc. So here's where the magic happens. The closet. Here is where I keep everything I wear. Decent amount of space because we have the two racks. On the side we have some shelf space, which is really nice to have. Sorry, it's a little messy. This is technically my husband's side, but I do keep some stuff in here, like my bags. We had to get this little storage situation from IKEA because we don't have any drawers and we needed a space to put our like underwear, socks, you know, stuff like that, not just throw them in the shelves in the closet. So this has been really useful to have, even though aesthetically we don't really like it that much. It's a little ugly. It was out of necessity. For our next apartment, we do want a headboard. I feel like it's going to make it look less college, more adult. If you've ever watched any of my videos, this is something you might recognize. We were in Paris in Le Marais and there was an art fair and we just decided to go in, check it out. We had no plans of buying anything. For me, you know, it didn't really do much for me when I saw it, but my husband literally fell in love. It was just so cool to see. And right in front of the bed, we have our shower bathroom. There's a lot of product. It's not very aesthetic, but you know, I'll give you a quick tour. We have a bathtub, which is really nice to have. We've used it not a lot, but you know, a few times. Nice shower pressure, that's always important to have. We have a towel warmer, which is such a great thing to have. So the shower is of course an open concept. And yes, the water does go everywhere. So that's why we have that little thing over there to help take it back into the shower. This is the view to our bedroom from inside the bathroom. When you leave the bedroom, you see the staircase to our rooftop. So because of the snow, I don't really feel like going outside, but I will show you what the rooftop looks like from here. Up here, we keep our fan for the summer. We don't have AC. We also use the rest of this area as storage. Over there, my husband has his little garden, and here is the snow. One of my favorite things about this apartment is the windows and the natural light. Unfortunately, as you can see, it has been a very snowy January, so we won't be having any sunlight today. I will try to include some clips if that changes in the next few hours. We've never fallen down any other staircase, just this one's. I think the steps are just the tiniest bit skinnier. Of course, very small, manageable falls, but yeah. So here we are in the same hallway again. Now we're going to the living room. This is the living room, dining room, kitchen, the everything, the other room. So let's start off with the kitchen. So here we have the fridge and the freezer. Okay, I'm on my knees right now. Having a relatively big fridge and freezer is such a luxury after literally living off of a mini fridge in Paris for almost 2.5 years that I was there. And speaking of luxury, a dishwasher. I remember the hours and hours I spent on dishes in Paris. It was truly like a chore, something I wrote down in my agenda I had to do. This and the washer and dryer have been game changers. I now love my life. Yeah, can't recommend them enough. Something we love about this kitchen is that we have quite a bit of storage space up here and down here. The oven is pretty small, but we still use it almost every day. Here we have our Nespresso machine. My mom got it for me back in 2021 in Paris. I love my Nespresso so much. We use it literally every day, at least 4 times a day. And it matches our Smeg toaster that my husband's grandma got for us. And of course, the Smeg blender that my mom got for us. We have some wall art in the kitchen. This is a piece by a Dutch artist that originally it's a painting. I saw it was on sale in an online gallery years ago when I lived in Paris. I really wanted to get it. It was such a good deal and we really like lobsters. Unfortunately, I was stupid and I didn't buy it for like 3 months, and then of course it was sold out. Then the artist started printing some reproductions and this is just a print. But to this day, I regret not getting the original oil painting. And these are 2 prints that my husband had with him. I don't know, I think his dad gave them to him, I'm not sure. This allows you to have boiling water straight out of the faucet. Really useful for cooking, or if you like tea, no need for a kettle. The way you get the water to boil is you press down here twice and then you twist that to the side. So this is what our living room looks like from the kitchen. I've never used that like fireplace, Netflix thing ever, but I thought I would for today, so yeah. So this is our everything table. This is where we eat, of course. This is where I edit my videos, where my husband works if he's working from home, where we play board games. We're a huge board game household. We love puzzles too. Over here we have like our office supply area, our laptops, another lamp, language textbooks, this art piece from an online gallery from Paris. Over here we have our tote bag chair. This is my gym bag. These are just some of the bags that we want quick access to. This is a special chair. This is my tripod. This is the chair that I've used to record every single one of my YouTube videos. We have these water bottles here because the Dutch government told us to have some water just in case something happened. If you live in the Netherlands, I'm guessing you also got this booklet. Now over here we have an air filter that my husband got. Not entirely sure what his reasoning was, but I just think, you know, if it's making our air quality better, that's really good to have. And here was my project to organize all of our cables, because obviously we work from the table, so we have a billion charging cables over there. So I bought those 2 boxes from Zara Home, and it just looks so much more organized than if everything was just thrown around everywhere on the floor. And then here we have the two posters, the big posters. So the story here is my husband's grandfather used to collect these old Dutch posters from the early 1900s. I think he also has some from the 1800s. He sold a bunch and then he asked us if we wanted any of the ones that he had left, and we chose these 2. So they are actually from 1922 and 1936. I think that is so cool. These are the first gigantic pieces of art that I've had. They don't look that big on camera, but they look huge in real life. And yeah, I really like the gold frames. I really like having something vintage. So here is the living room TV area. This couch is from Sofa Company. It's been so comfortable and nice to have, but aesthetically we both don't really love it. We just got it because we really needed a couch. It was like fine enough, convenient. We also originally, it was supposed to come with a 3rd section here, but it did not fit through the stairs. So much better, because I think it would be entirely too big for this tiny living room area. These 2 coffee tables are from Zara Home. I regret getting them. They're kind of ugly, but they've served us well, so it is what it is. Our Christmas tree still up there. It is dying. Some plants that are also dying. The TV, we love to watch TV, we love to watch shows, we use this every day almost. We also play video games. The TV console, oh my god, it is so ugly. It's from IKEA. It was a desperation buy. We just could not find something we liked, and that was in our budget, and we were just tired. We needed one, and we just got it. Huge regret. It's not only ugly, it's actually damaged. The doors don't really close. So over here, we have my little box of memories, just some cards that my friends got me, some little like travel souvenirs, etc. Sparkling wine candle that my friends got me in Paris, a little lemur from the Amsterdam Zoo, and here is our document library area. This bench was supposed to go on the foot of our bed like the white cabinet is right now, but even though we like this one better than the white one, we couldn't put it there because we needed some cabinet space. We needed some drawers. So now it's just here, and it houses some of our bags, yoga mat, Dyson vacuum. Very good to have. My husband and I, we shed like crazy. It's insane. I forgot to mention this, but this statue we have was made by my husband's grandfather, which I think is so cool. We have a unique piece of art. That is all for this video. That is the entire apartment. Even though I know we could have decorated this apartment a little bit better, it essentially was our first adult apartment together. So I'm personally teaching myself a little bit about interior design, trying to find inspiration online. I'm very excited to approach decorating our next apartment in a more thoughtful way, a little bit more intentional. So that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.